Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add a manager in YouTube channel. If you found this guide useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube dashboard. So go ahead and go to YouTube, studio.youtube.com, make sure you're signed in. And then from here, you want to click onto settings on the left hand side. And then you want to click onto permissions. And as you can see here, this is all the permissions in this YouTube channel. So this is me here as the owner. All right, once you're here, click on invite. This is going to invite a user to be a manager or a different role taker inside this channel. So I'm just going to put in an email address here, and then I'm going to choose what type of access they're going to have. So I'll go ahead and do that now. All right, I'll put in the new email here and then access. I'm going to choose which one. So for this video, it's called manager. So they can view everything, manage permissions, go live, and create, edit, and delete content. So I'm going to click on manager, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on done. And now what's going to happen there, it's going to say pending invitation. So that user needs to go to their emails and accept that manager request for this channel.